to be honest, I always felt that like plugg was a little bit daunting. It kind of is a little bit like complex looking when you're like approaching the theory, but I've actually learned that like it's super easy to make. I'm going to show you how easy it is. So we've got our progression. This scale is F sharp minor. We're starting with the 6th, 6, 5, 1, 7. So that's our progression. We're starting off pretty low, so I'm going to duplicate this and we're going to go up an octave as well. We just got like our bass notes here, and I'm just going to lower the velocity just so they don't weigh the melody down too much, but just enough that they add a little bit of tone. All we're going to do here is just build like some simple chords, but just stack them. We're adding a 3rd, adding a 5th, adding a 7th, and you can add a 9th if you want. If you don't want to, then don't. I like to just like add the 9th or take it away to add a little bit of variation. You can see this is an 8-bar progression. Maybe I'll like duplicate it and make it like a 16-bar. And then yeah, I might like use the 9th or take it away, or just like go up or down. We'll do the same with the rest of the notes, and I'll show you like how easy it is to achieve that sound. So that's basically it. Like all it is just the chord progression, and then just build 7ths. Just get the chord progression right and you're off, and you're pretty much done the beat. Might just add the 9th. One other thing that I've learned, you can take like the 3rd and just drop it, and it's like out of the scale, but it just adds like a nice amount of dissonance that kind of creates like this tension. So I like to do it like right at the end of the progression, kind of resolves when it loops back up. And then I like to just go back through and humanize it, and then kind of randomize these notes, give them some human like velocity. I might go through and just find like a preset that I like a little bit better. I'll go with like an E electric piano one. If you don't have Roland Cloud, I really recommend it. A lot of people just like use Xenology or use Purity. But if you're going for like a realistic sounding instrument, this is like kind of next level. And then I just like to maybe layer it with Xenology if I'm going for like a bell sound or a pad or something, or Purity, especially if I'm going for like a lead and you want like that kind of generic plug lead sound. You're like 90% there. Like that's your foundation. All you need to do now is just reference that. Just build like a melody around this, like just using the same notes. So I just literally copied that MIDI.